Question 28. Here is a map. The map shows two towns, Burford and Hightown. We have a scale saying 1 centimetre represents 10 kilometres. A company is going to build a warehouse. The warehouse will be less than 30 kilometres from Burford and less than 50 kilometres from Hightown. Shade the region on the map where the company can build the warehouse. Now, when it says region and you see a diagram with little crosses on, you're going to have to think to yourself, right, this is a construction question, I'm going to need a compass. Because if I want to find every point which is less than 30 kilometres from Burford, well, let's think about it. It could be here, it could be here, it could be here. It's going to create a circle. Now, 1 centimetre is 10 kilometres, so to make 30 kilometres is going to be 3 centimetres. So you pull out your ruler and your compass. We want 30 kilometres or 3 centimetres, so you set the radius of your circle to be 3 centimetres. Put the cross on Burford, accurate as you can get it, and then we're going to draw a circle from Burford. So every point inside that circle is now less than 30 kilometres from Burford. To find less than 50 kilometres from Hightown, we need to find a circle which has a radius of 50 kilometres, or in this case 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, which is 5 centimetres. Let's just make sure that's nicely on the ruler. So 5 centimetres, put the point on Hightown this time, as close as we can get to the centre, and draw a circle. It doesn't matter if it goes outside the area that you've been specified. This circle will show everything inside 50 kilometres. Now we're asked to shade in the region which is less than the two distances, which means it's got to be inside this circle and inside this circle, which means it's this area here in between the two circles. It doesn't have to be a masterpiece, you don't have to colour in everything, as long as you're very clear that this is the part that we're colouring in. We've made sure our measurements are accurate, we've shown all our construction lines, which are the two circles, and we've shaded in the section that we needed to. That'll give us our full marks.